How to transfer from Coinbase to Bybit. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily send your crypto or any other assets from Bybit to Coinbase to Bybit. So the first thing you can do is open up your Coinbase on your browser or your app. Then from there, you can just click on Send and Receive at the top right besides Buy and Sell. And then go to My Assets on the left-hand side of your screen. You can find Home and then My Assets. Now scroll down here and find any of your assets like Ethereum. So just click on Ethereum. Then just scroll down and click on Send and Receive. Once you click on it, go to bybit.com. And once you're here, make sure that you're logged in. On the top right, click on the account icon and then go to Assets. Now just click on Funding or Assets Spot Account. Just click on it, and then you should be able to find the deposit button right here down below on Ethereum. So just click on Deposit, and here select your coin, then select your chain type, ERC20, click on Acknowledge, and then you should be able to find your wallet address. Just copy the address, go back to your Coinbase, and paste the address there. Now select the amount that you want to send. So you can switch between USD and Ethereum or any other crypto by tapping on this little icon right here. Now if you want to send all, tap on Send All, and then you should be able to scroll down and click on Continue. And once you've done that, you just need to verify that you have selected the right network, and then click on Send Now. Once you've done that, you can check that on your Bybit and see if you've received it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.